So you have drawn the A2 size paper and its margins. Now we shall draw the title block. Okay. For that, let us offset the already existing light. So in the command area, you just type O. O itself represents offset. So just type O and enter. Then it asks through what distance. By default, it is 50 showing. I want say 50 itself, so I am just typing enter. Then select the object. I want to offset this line through 50. Okay, then you can just escape, then again type O and enter through. Now I want to offset through 150 in this direction, so I am going to type 150 and enter. Then select the line to offset and the side to offset. Now I got two lines. Maybe now I can just trim and continue. I will just type TR and enter. Again enter to decide the cutting edges. Now select the elements which I want to delete. Okay, so I got the boundaries of my title block. This is my boundary of the title block. Now I have additional horizontal and vertical lines. I shall draw them also. For that, just type escape. Always see whether any command is active in the command window. If anything is active, just type escape window. Okay, escape button. Now on the command window, you can type say offset O and enter. I am going to offset the horizontal lines. I am going to offset say 10 and enter. Then select this line and the side on which you want to offset. Then select this line and the side on which you want to offset. Then select this line and the side on which you want to offset. Okay, so that is complete. I can just escape and I will do the trimming. TR and enter. Okay, and enter once again to select the cutting edges. Now click on the unwanted lines. I have removed the unwanted lines also. Now I shall create the additional vertical line. For that, type escape and click on the offset O and enter. I want to offset 5. Okay, so I shall just type 50 and enter. Okay, then I want to offset this line through 50. Okay, so that's it. Again escape and trim. Again one more enter for the cutting edge. Now you click on this, so the extra line is removed. Okay, this is how we create our title block. The sequence in which you are doing can be done as per your wish. It is not necessary that you always do offset and trim in a particular sequence. You can do it in any sequence. You just need to understand that we are using two commands, offset and trim command, as you wish. Okay, whenever you want offset command, type O in the command area and type the distance through which you want to offset. Then you select the line you want to offset and then you select the side on which you want to offset. Okay, that was the one command we have studied. Then we have the trim command. Whenever you want to trim or remove lines from the existing lines, you just type TR and enter. Then you click enter once again to select the cutting edges. Then you click on the unwanted lines and remove the unwanted lines. Here I shall remove this line, which is an unwanted line as per our title block. So I shall type TR and enter. Then one more enter to select the cutting edges, and I am going to remove this. Okay, so we have created the outline of our title block. Now we shall see how the text is written. For that, you click on the text in the menu bar, or you can just type text. So from here I am taking single line text. Okay, so I have just clicked somewhere. It is not necessary that you type inside itself. You can type anywhere and move it to the required position. So I am clicking here. Here the line can be either horizontal or inclined or vertical, whatever. So I am going to click on the ortho button here at the bottom. Okay, click on this ortho button. So we can have only horizontal and vertical lines if this ortho button is on. So you have clicked the ortho button, and after that you just click uh, then here it is asked specify the rotation angle. Okay, rotation angle is 0, so you just enter. So you got a cursor for typing. Here it is a little bigger. You need not worry about that. First of all, let me type the title, say residential building. Okay, so I have typed residential building. I have clicked somewhere else. So it is a very big writing. You just click on, you just type, click escape, and after that click on residential building. Then right click and take the properties. Here all the properties can be seen. Here you can see the height. Height of the text is 78.16. That you can say reduce to 5. Let us see what happens if it is 5. Okay, so it is reasonably matching with our size. If you want, you can increase or decrease the size here. Okay, so 5 is okay. Now what you can do is just type escape, and you want to move this to here. Let me do one thing. I shall take a copy of this and move here, and I shall edit this for the further writings. Okay, so click on copy or type copy, click on here, copy, select object. I have selected, then right click the mouse button, then specify the base point, then click on somewhere and move it. Since the ortho is on, it is only moved horizontally or vertically. So for the time being I shall switch off ortho and I shall move and place it here. Okay, so it is placed. Then I shall escape. Now I want the name, class, roll number, etc. to be written here. For that I shall click on this residential building. I shall edit, double click here, select that, and I shall write, say, my name here. Then I shall reduce the height. Say the height is reduced to 3. It will be suiting here. Okay, so now you can click on escape, then copy and move. You can copy from here also, or you just click on here, copy, then click on this object, then right click, then select a base point and move. Here you have name. I am placing 3 here. I shall edit it later. Okay, so I have done that. Escape, then I shall just move this. Okay, move, click on this object, right click, specify the base point, select a point on it, then move it and place it here. Okay, so I shall move it in line. If I want, move, select object, right click, select the base point, move it in straight line. Okay, I shall now edit this. This is name. Okay, now I shall edit this as, okay, right click, say, where are the properties? Okay, take the properties. Here you can edit it as name and here roll number. Okay, you have edited, then click somewhere else, so it has changed roll number. Escape, then click the properties. You need to change to, say, class. Okay, so click somewhere else, so it has also come. Similarly, whatever you want to fill here, you can do, and the master copy of that particular text I am removing. Then you can close the properties here on the undo button of the properties. Okay, now you have the title block. In order to zoom on, type Z, enter, and A, enter. So everything is zoomed in. Okay, that's all about creating the title block.